Do you crave a brighter, whiter smile that radiates confidence and charm? It's more than just vanity. A radiant smile can be a game changer, enhancing your confidence and leaving a lasting impression. Today, we're going to delve into the world of teeth whitening. We'll break down this seemingly complex process into simple, manageable steps that you can easily follow in the comfort of your own home. Embark on this 14-day journey with us and unlock the secret to a dazzling smile. To begin with, it's crucial to understand what causes teeth to stain or discolor. Teeth stains are a common yet undesirable part of our everyday lives. They often result from a variety of factors that we encounter daily. One such factor is our diet. Foods and beverages like coffee, tea, red wine, and even fruits like berries can contribute to teeth staining. These substances contain intense color pigments called chromogens that attach to the white outer part of your teeth and cause discoloration. Tobacco use, whether smoking or chewing, is another major culprit due to the tar and nicotine it contains. Tar is naturally dark, while nicotine is colorless until it's mixed with oxygen, turning into a staining substance. And then, there's poor dental hygiene. Not brushing and flossing regularly allows plaque to build up and stain your teeth over time. Now that we know what causes teeth discoloration, we can tackle it head-on with our teeth whitening steps. Armed with knowledge, it's time to battle those stains and reclaim your radiant smile. So, let's break down the teeth whitening process into manageable steps. Firstly, consider investing in a good whitening toothpaste. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill pastes. They're specially formulated with mild abrasives and polishing agents that can help remove surface stains, giving your teeth a brighter appearance. Next up, whitening strips. These are thin, flexible strips coated with a gel made from peroxide. You just apply them to your teeth, let them do their magic for the recommended time, and then peel them off. It's as simple as that. Now, it's not all about what you can add to your routine, but also about what you can do consistently. That means regular brushing and flossing. Brush at least twice a day and don't forget to floss. This helps to remove plaque, which, if left unchecked, can lead to staining. Your diet also plays a crucial role. Consuming foods and drinks that are known to stain teeth like coffee, red wine, and certain fruits and vegetables can undo all your hard work. So consider making some dietary changes. Opt for foods that naturally clean your teeth as you eat them, like apples, celery, and carrots. Lastly, there are natural remedies you can try, like baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can scrub away surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. A word of caution though, these should be used sparingly and with care, as overuse can damage your tooth enamel. Over the course of this journey, remember that patience is a virtue. Whitening your teeth isn't an overnight process. It takes time and consistency to see results. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these steps, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your smile in just 14 days. So we've covered the steps to a brighter smile. But before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Remember to steer clear of staining foods and drinks like coffee and red wine. Using a straw for dark liquids can also help prevent stains. Most importantly, don't forget your regular dental checkups to maintain overall oral health. With these steps and tips, a brighter, whiter smile is just 14 days away. Start your journey today, and let your smile